Hi friends, my name is Deepak and welcome to my channel. This video is about a beautiful zoo and safari next to Shimoga city in Karnataka. Do watch this video and let me know in the comment section as to how did you find the video. Thank you. So this is the Shimoga Zoo and Safari. It has some lions, tigers and few other animals, and this is about 9 kilometers from the center of Shimoga city, and there are a whole lot of public buses transport available from the center of the Shimoga city to this place, and there is some entrance fee. So these are the animals that are supposed to be in this lion safari, and I'm inside the main gate of the safari and I had to pay an entrance fee of 40 rupees. Of course, I'm an Indian national. If I was a foreign national, probably I would have been required to pay a little more, but that was just the entrance to the compound of this zoo or safari. And if you got to take a ride in any of the vehicles available here, then you got to pay extra. These are sambar deers. You see quite a few of them here. This is still the early part of the lion safari here in Shimoga district. So I'm in a shared bus. It costs rupees 150 per head for an Indian national, and so this bus will have a few passengers along with you, and this bus departs from the entrance of the lion safari to the center of the safari every few minutes, I think every half an hour, although I'll have to confirm the timing. So there you have a tiger here in the tiger zoo, tiger safari, and the tiger seems to be having a rest right now after a largish meal, and it's one of the few tiger safaris in India in which I've seen live tiger.
Ramu.
So this section of the lion safari houses the older animals, the older tigers, and they are well taken care of here in this section. They are given treatment also from time to time.
Feeding outside.
So these two tigers are twins actually, and one of them is named Vijay.
ಸಾಸು ಹಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ ಸರ್
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂಗಲ್ ಕಂಬ ಅಡ್ಡ ಇದೆ ಬಾ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಸೇಮ್ 14 ಟ್ವಿನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 14 ವರ್ಷ ಮೇಡಂ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವ ಕಾಣ್ರಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನೇ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ವಿಜಯ್ ವಿಜಯ್ ವಿಜಯ್.
So what you see in closer to the camera are black bucks, and then you have the nilgai. The bigger antelope there is the nilgai. And you see these animals right at the entrance of the lion safari here. So this section of the zoo has black swan, and I personally have never seen black swans before in my life. I've seen the white ones, but this is the first time I can see black swans. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 5 black swans that are visible here, and some white ones also, but this section is more to do with the black swans. And you have this bird here, probably it's a peacock, although I'm not sure. This Shivamogga Zoo and Tiger Safari, also the Lion Safari, remains open from 9 a.m. till 5 p.m. all days of the week except Tuesday. Sorry, I think it opens at 8:45 a.m. and closes at 5 p.m. And the entry ticket for the zoo is 40 rupees, and if you want to take a safari and look at the lions and tigers, then it will be costing you 150 rupees if you take the canter or the pooled bus. And if you want to take a separate car, then it will cost you about 1500 rupees. Of course, these prices are for Indians. For foreigners, the fees would be slightly higher.